Becoming an S-Corp takes 5 simple steps. 1. Open an LLC. Get the legal structure set. Choose a name, submit the form, and congratulations, you're a business owner. You can now enjoy the legal protection and credibility of an established business.
Number 2, file an S election. File Form 2553 requesting the IRS to treat your taxes under the S election and start enjoying those amazing benefits.
3. Open a business bank account. You don't want to commingle your accounts. Your private account is for private use. All business-related income and expenses should be done under your business account.
Number 4, define what reasonable compensation is. You need to pay yourself what's considered reasonable compensation. This depends on a few factors and generally means about the same amount that you would pay another person that's going to do the same job. So paying yourself a salary, whether it's monthly or quarterly, gives you a W-2 and fulfills the IRS requirement. As long as you pay yourself at least once a quarter, you're good to go.
5. Benefits. Start flexing those benefits that your corporate employee friends enjoy. By running health insurance and retirement benefits through company payroll, you can knock your net income down considerably. It also creates more personal tax savings in the form of deferred compensation in a 401k.
Do you want to enjoy the life of an S-Corp but don't want to manage it yourself? Then visit us at formationscorp.com. We are here to help.